the problem the problem is this: the angular the angular velocity of a rotating rigid body about an x of rotation is given by omega. The vector 4I plus j minus k unit vector. Find the linear velocity. Find the simple linear velocity v. Find the linear velocity of a point P on the body whose position vector relative to a point on the axis of rotation is given by r. Position vector 2I minus 3j plus k. This is the omega angular velocity. We have to find linear velocity and the position vector is given r. So what is the formula? Angular velocity. So formula is this: v is equal to omega into r. This is the angular velocity relation. Okay, simply putting the values, calculation: w is equal to omega I j k 4 1 minus 1 2 minus 3 1 I j k. First row by neglecting first row and first column: 1 1 1 1 multiply 1 3 ones are 3 minus first row second column: 4 ones are 4 2 ones are 2 minus minus plus first row third column: 4 ones are 4 2 1 4 first row last column: 4 threes are 12, sorry 12, and 2 ones are minus 12, 2 ones are 2 minus 2 I 6j and 14k. This is the velocity. Okay, this is the linear velocity. So the problem is this: if vector A is equal to xz cube minus 2x square yz j unit vector, and this is I, plus 2yz k unit vector, find the divergence of vector A. Find the divergence of vector A at a point 1 minus 1 1. This is the three coordinate system x y z. Find the divergence of vector A at a point. So first of all, we have to write formula: divergence. Divergence is written as the formula of divergence of vector A of any vector is del operator dot product of del operator and A. It is the divergence. So partial over partial xi, partial over partial yj, partial over partial zk into vector A. Vector A is xz cube I 2x square yzj plus 2yz4k unit vector. So write this: partial over partial xi xz cube I1 plus minus minus partial over partial y 2x square yz jj1 plus partial over partial z 2y z4 kk1. So we have to find partial derivative. The derivative of x. The derivative of x is 1, and z cube is z cube minus 2 is the constant function. The derivative of y with respect to y is 1 x square z. The derivative of partial derivative of z with respect to z is 4 4 2s are 8 pi and z cube. This is the divergence. This is the divergence. This is the divergence, and putting these point we will get answer minus